Now, today's topic is triangle. As the name suggested, triangle is a three-sided figure. Triangle is a three-sided figure, namely as A, B and C, where A, B and C are called as A, B, C are called as vertex of the triangle. AB, BC and CA are three sides of a triangle. Three sides of a triangle. This is a symbol of a triangle. AB, BC and CA are the three sides of a triangle, whereas 1, 2, 3, I have marked the angle. There are three angles. Angle A, B, A, C, comma, angle A, B, C, comma, angle A, C, B are three angles of a triangle. Three angles of a triangle. These are also named as, I have given the name 1, 2 and 3. The sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is always equals to 180 degree. It means that the sum of angles, interior angle of a triangle. So, angle 1, 2 and 3 are called as interior angle of a triangle. Interior angle of a triangles. These are called as, and the sum of all the three interior angle is equals to 180 degree. So, it means that it is having an exterior angle also. So, these lines if we draw further, this will form. If this angle is considered as 4, this angle is considered as 5, this angle is considered as 6, are called as the exterior angle of a triangle. Angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. These are called as the exterior angle of a triangle. Now, in the exterior angle of a triangle, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is always equals to 360 degree. The sum of exterior angles. As the sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree, the sum of exterior angle is always equals to 360 degree. But if we take a individual, angle 1 plus angle 4, one interior, one exterior, angle 2 plus angle 5, angle 3 plus angle 6, the sum of one interior and one exterior angle is always equals to 180 degree. Each one of its combination is equals to 180 degree. So, that is a combination of a triangle. So, the triangles are basically three-sided figure. There are three sides. A, B and C individually are called as vertex. A, B, B, C, C, A are the three sides of a triangle. There are three angles. Angle BAC, BAC. The angle which you have to mention should be written in between. Should be written in between. Angle ABC is the second one. Angle ACB is the third one. I have marked with 1, 2 and 3. I have named them as 1 and 2 and 3. The sum of interior angle. The sum of interior angle of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4, 5, 6, I have marked an exterior angle as when it is the lines is been extended. So, exterior angle is been drawn. So, the sum of exterior angle is always equal to 360 degree. Individually, angle 1 plus angle 4, angle 2 plus angle 5, angle 3 plus angle 6 is always equals to 180 degree. Individually, they are equal to 180 degree. One property which you have to mention over here, that in a triangle, if you consider the longest side as the base, if you consider the longest side as the base, the sum of the other two sides will always be greater than the third side. The sum of the other two sides should always be greater than the third side. If A, B and C, BC is greater than AB and greater than AC. So, we consider that AB plus AC should always be greater than BC. The sum of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, will always be greater than the third side. For example, if we are taking one side as 3, one side as 4 and the longest side is 5, the longest side is 5. So, the sum of the two sides 3 plus 4 should be greater than the greatest side, which is 5. If it is so, then only the triangle is possible, otherwise the triangle is not possible. So, for the property of a triangle, it is necessary that the sum of the two sides will be greater than the third sides. Is this clear? Now, there are mainly 4 types of triangles. Number 1 is the scalene triangle. Number 2 is the right angle triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, and it is called as equilateral triangle. So, now the types of the triangles. Types of triangles. First triangle, if we consider, is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means when all the sides are equal, A, B and this is C. It is marked with, in equilateral triangles, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. It means angle AB is equal to angle BC is equal to angle side AB is equal to side BC is equal to side CA, and angle ABC is also equal to angle ACB is equal to angle BAC. So, all the angles and all the sides are always equal, and each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree each. Is of 60 degree each. This is a property of an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. Then comes isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. So, if these two sides are equal, AB is equals to AC and BC is called as base, then BC is called as base in an isosceles triangle. Now, in an isosceles triangle, one more thing has been there, that the angle opposite to them, opposite to the equal sides are also equal, means this angle and this angle, angle opposite to the equal side. So, the angle opposite to AC is angle ABC. So, angle ABC is also equals to angle ACB because the side opposite to them are equal. The side opposite to them are equal. Is this clear? Then, in a same isosceles triangle, there is one more triangle is there, which is called as right angle isosceles triangle. A, B, C. It means one angle is of 90 degree. In this angle, ABC is equals to 90 degree, in which AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC. These two sides are equal. It means that the angle opposite to them are also equal. So, angle BAC is equal to angle ACB and both will be equal to 45 degree because the remaining sum of two angles is equals to 45 degree each in an isosceles right angle triangle. So, this is called as isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Is this clear? Next one is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means in isosceles opposite sides are equal. or two sides are equal. In scalene, all the three sides are unequal. All the three sides are unequal. All the three sides are unequal. It means if this is a triangle, this is the side AB, this is AC and this is BC. All the three sides are unequal. It means BC is greater than AC is greater than AB. All the three sides are unequal. Is this clear? It is called as scalene triangle. What it is called as? Scalene triangle. Now, in a scalene triangle, one more triangle is been there, that is called as right angle triangle. All the three sides are unequal. A, B and C. One angle is of 90 degree. Angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. Now, in this case also all the three sides are unequal. That is also a part of a scalene triangle, in which you have to identify the AC. This is called as the, in front of angle of 90 degree, the side is called as hypotenuse. It is called as hypotenuse. The other two sides are called as perpendicular. AB is called as perpendicular and BC is called as base. And the formula becomes, in a Pythagoras theorem, that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In the last section of the triangle we will study, we will prove that why the longest side hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now, we have considered ABC as a scalene triangle in which all the three sides are unequal. But in all the cases, the property of the triangle will remain same, that the sum of all the angles of a triangle will always remains 180 degree. The sum of the two sides is always greater than the greatest side. Third, the exterior angle is always equal to 360 degree. One more important thing that we have to discuss, that if you are marking this vertex as A, this vertex as B and this vertex as C, then the side which you are mentioning in front of vertex A, the side which you are mentioning will be mentioned by small a. So, small a represent the side BC. The side BC will be represented by small a. Small a is also indicating the sides. B, AC will be represented by small b, this side, and C will be represented by AB. Small c is representing the side AB. So, opposite to the vertex, if A is the vertex, so opposite of A is the side BC, it will be represented by small a. Opposite of vertex B, the side will be represented by AC. Opposite of C, the side will be represented by small c, and it has been on the line AB. So, this is the representation of the sides AB, BC and CA. Now, if you have to calculate the area of the triangle, so the area of a triangle is calculated by area is equals to half base into height. So, in this case, what is a base? BC, and what is a height? AB. If suppose in a scalene triangle we have to calculate, this is a scalene triangle, if we have to calculate the area of a triangle A, B, C or any triangle, and the height is not given because we know the formula is base into height, then what we will do? If a perpendicular is being dropped from here, AD, so in that case the area of triangle ABC will be equal to half base into height is AD. Height is AD. So, where the perpendicular meet from the vertex, that angle is called as height, and where it strike is called as base. Suppose from perpendicular is drawn from the vertex B, now it is E, then the formula will become half AC into BE. Now, for that case AC will become the base and B will become the height, and for the third case this F, so area will be equal to half base is AB into CF. So, that all depends upon from where the perpendicular is being dropped. But in a right angle triangle, it is very easy to identify. It is half, base will be BC and height will be AB. Now if you are having a triangle, in which all the three sides are unequal and the height is not given, then what you will do? In that case, you have to find the formula for that. Semi perimeter is to be calculated. A plus B plus C divided by 2. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and the area of the triangle is equals to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is also known as Heron's formula. It is also known as Heron's formula. Is this clear? And where S denotes the semi perimeter. What does S denotes? Semi perimeter. S denotes semi perimeter. So S is equal, area of a triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now if the isosceles triangle is been there, in which the base is been denoted by small b and the other two equal sides is equals to A. Other two equal side is equals to A, and if we have to calculate the area, then the area of an isosceles triangle, directly you can use 1 upon 4b under root 4a square minus b square. This is the formula to find out the area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle where B is considered as the base and A is considered as the opposite sides, equal opposite sides. So A is considered as equal side, B is considered as base. Now if you have to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle, so it will be considered as under root 3 upon 4 A square, where A is the length of equal side. All the sides is being represented by small a because all the three sides are equal. So in that case, if we have to find out the area, so area can be calculated by using a formula under root 3 upon 4 a square. And for the perimeter, the sum of the triangle, sum of all the sides of a triangle, AB plus BC plus CA in all the cases will represent the perimeter of a triangle, Is this clear? So this is about a triangle, and hope you must have understood it. And then now in the next part, we will be concluding other properties of a triangle.